This is Chase in the swing. What are you doing, little man? You're so funny. There's Dobby and Patsy. And there's Lucy. And there's Katie. Oh, Posy. That's little Posy girl. There she is. Hi. There's Harry. Shane. Josie. Posy. That is Royal. Hi, babies. There's Lucy. Katie. Oh, Harry. Okay, here's the little babies over here. There's Sylvester. There's Peter. There's Uno. Sally. That's Sally. Hi, Sally. Sylvester. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Hi. That's Peter. There's Uno. Here we go. Posy and Lucy. Harry. Josie. Hi, Sherry. There's Shane. Dobby and Patsy Klein. So they're a year and 3 months or so. Bigger puppies are 10 weeks old. Hi, Harry. Posy. There's Shane. And there's Royal. Royal. There's these babies. They are 5 weeks old. Hi, Kate. Sally. Sally. Oh, Peter, don't do that, Shane. Hi. Yeah. Nice to be outside. Huh. And there's the chickens. We're down at the kennel in the big pasture. Nice for them to be able to get out. Who's that over there? That's Lucy. Hey, Lucy. Katie. Oh, here we are. Harry. Katie. Katie and Josie. Lucy. Katie, tough girl. Get her, Katie. Posy being very nice. Katie acts like her mama, Miss Anna. She's being dominant. Lucy. There's Cherie. There's Royal over here. Harry, you're pretty, Harry. Who's that? That's Lucy. Lucy Goosey. Harry. Okay. There's the kennel. Janie. That's Jane. You guys are dirty from the rain. Who's Katie? Who's Katie, girl? Sally. That's Sally. Babies. So we have 3 ages. We have the big guys. Over a year. Hi, Dob. Dobby and Patsy Cline. Hi, Cline. You're such a pretty girl. Hi, Dobby. I love Hanson. Hi. Yeah. And then the next generation. There's my girl. That's Jessie. That's Jessie. There's Jessie, girl. Be careful with the babies. Yes. Whoop. That's Lucy. Who's that? That's Katie. Katie's in the water. Katie. There's Cozy under the chair. Ow! Get off, Jessie. Jessie, get off, Mama. Aww. Patsy Cline.